To give a great foot massage, first prop the person's feet up on a pillow in your lap so they're comfortable. Then, apply a little lotion or oil to your hands and rub your hands together to warm it up. Choose one foot to start with and rub their entire foot to spread the lotion or oil around. Then, try squeezing the top of each of their toes to massage them. Use your thumbs to massage the bottom of their foot, working your way down from their toes. Once you reach their ankle, work your way back up to their toes. Spend a little extra time on the arch, since it's usually the tensest part of the foot. Use your dominant hand to gently squeeze around the sides of their foot as well. Massage the top of their foot with your thumbs. Move slowly and spend a minute or two on each part of their foot to really massage the tissue. If your fingers get sore, make a fist and rest your knuckles against the center of their foot for a moment. When you finish with their first foot, repeat on their other foot.